Hey there. Today I'm bringing a bit of sunshine to your kitchen with this easy, quick Dole Whip inspired recipe. So quick and no fuss. In the blender, we're going to add our pineapple juice, followed by our frozen pineapple chunks, and then with our non-dairy vanilla ice cream. Next, we're going to blend it until smooth, but do not overblend. If the mixture is too thick, go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of pineapple juice at a time until you get the consistency that you want. And that's it. How easy was that? In just minutes, you've got a smooth, creamy pineapple treat that tastes like a tropical vacation or you're at Disneyland. Want to kick it up a notch? Add a splash of rum and you've got yourself a refreshing dairy-free cocktail. However you enjoy it, this one's a breeze to make and even easier to love. Hope you enjoyed this video and let me know what you think if you tried this recipe. I'd love to know your thoughts. Goodbye.